Welcome! If you want to customize keyboard theme with your own picture or photo on CUBOT Note 7, at the first you have to go for the settings. Next, scroll down until you find system, tap on the languages and input, select virtual keyboard, move to the Gboard and then go for the theme. Next we have to tap right here and we can pick the photo that we want to set up as our theme. I will go for this photo. Click next, and we can also set transparency of the picture, so I will go like that. Click down, and at the end we can turn off key borders to see our picture more clearly. Click apply, and as you can see right now, our keyboard theme has changed. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.